Hey everybody, this is my week 7 artifact, and here are my main takeaways. The first is that the sense of belonging can determine education outcomes, so whether that be gender, religion, or class, um, as long as a student feels like they belong at that institution and belong with the other individuals at that institution, this can affect their educational outcomes. In addition to that, many schools are recognizing the need for education for lower income students, and we can see this in the University of Michigan and the Miami University scholarships that have been given out, and then the work study opportunities for students of lower income so that they can afford these education opportunities. And then the last main takeaway I had was about the dental hygiene versus social status by Oldfield. And I've noticed this actually through my mom's work as well because she works at an oral surgeon's office and they have two offices, and one is in a higher income area and there's another office in a lower income area, and you can definitely see a difference in not only the dental hygiene but also just the types of people that come into the office. The complexities that I came up with, social class compounded with race or gender issues could create more problems later, as kind of stated in the first takeaway from the previous slide. Uh, dif- Differences in social class in regards to college types. So Ostrov and Long talked about um, upper class belonging in more of a 4-year college or university setting as opposed to lower class belonging more at a community college setting, and trying to disprove these theories. And then alienation on campuses due to material possessions. So Ostrov also talked about how upper and lower class individuals have different material possessions, such as cell phones and computers, that can lead to a sense of um, not belonging. So, 3 questions I had: how can faculty and staff at colleges and universities better educate all students about social class issues? What can we do better as student affairs professionals to help lower income students transition into their first year of college? And are there any tips that you would suggest for them? And due to the increasing divide between higher and lower class groups, are colleges and universities able to provide funding for the number of students that will eventually fall into the lower class population? And then here's an interesting quote I found. It basically calls out student affairs professionals um, to become a support system for some of these lower class individuals once they get to um, college, and how student affairs professionals are an important process in their education. And here are the resources that I used. Thank you.